guys, today we would like to explain briefly how you can mount the rack system from RADE garage. You have to start by putting away the plastic fairing. Here is one bolt you need to release, here is the second bolt, here down there is a plastic lock, and here you just push out. When you do it on the other side, we recommend to release also the heat shield on exhaust pipe. Then you have to remove also the OEM filler or the aftermarket filler. It's both of them are on 3 bolts. You release them, you take it out. Just be careful you don't lose the O-ring that seals the filler. Then you release also the towel fairing. When you turn it upside down, you will see there are 4 marks on the fairing from the bottom made by the factory. So there you drill the holes. Then you put the fairing back. Now you prepare the bolts and the spacers. The longer spacers and longer bolts go to the front holes, the shorter ones goes to the back holes. And you mount easily the rack on. Just be careful, you need to tighten it, but don't over tighten it, because if you destroy the thread, you will destroy your complete tank on the bike. So be very careful. We also recommend to use Loctite for the bolts. And when you go for a weekend riding and you need bigger roll, you mount on the extension.